Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add TikTok sound to CapCut video. So if you're trying to edit your video on CapCut, you can get access to all of your TikTok sounds within the app of CapCut. To do that, you can simply tap on this audio option right here and tap on sounds. Now all you need to do is sign in with your TikTok, tap on this option and tap on authorize. Now you can see here it says no favorite sounds yet because I've not added any sounds to my favorites. It does not show up any sounds, but if you have added sounds to your favorite, you should be able to see all of them right here. So that was the easy process on how to add TikTok sound to CapCut video. If you guys liked our video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. While you're at it, also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.